Well, guys, I got a little bit of a puzzle here, and I'm going to leave it up to you to figure out what's going on. This is a very old Cyclops by Yale in town. It, I guess for the age, is in great shape. There's their original logo. It's not too beat up, a little bit of, I don't want to call it rust, let's call it patina. Yeah, patina. And unusually, this one, I bought it off of eBay, it did come with a key. And again, unusually, this key actually works. So, rotate it 90 degrees, pop open, very cool. Let's lock back up. A lot of times we look at these and we say, it's just a warded lock. And that's exactly how I felt. I thought, what a piece of junk, because I didn't see the key when I saw the lock. It came as a batch. But, you know, the way these work is inside of there's little wards, little gates, so that if a key is inserted that doesn't have the grooves in the right place, when it turns, it hits a little metal plate. So because of that, this is just a security thing. The thing that opens the lock is usually just this little tip. So that's why 99% of these old locks can be opened up with these skeleton keys. And you can see the tip of that is shaped a lot like these guys. And unfortunately, this is that, point something percent, because none of the larger ones work and the smaller ones are too small. They don't actuate it. So I kind of gave up and decided to make my own key. I was pretty sure how the thing worked. So I tried this guy first, and you can see I almost twisted him off. I didn't want to break him off on the inside of there. And what I discovered with him is that I cut him wide enough to go in there, but there are restrictor plates inside of there. I don't know if you can actually see them or not, but they actually restrict the size more so than this spinner. This spinner is nothing more than a little thing that spins around, mostly to defeat us. So I decided to try to make this one, and I realized I'm in a rut because I was filing something that kind of looked, that looked almost exactly like one of the existing skeleton keys, and I knew that didn't work, so no sense in spending a lot of time on it. Decided to pick it. Now, a lot of you guys have asked, how do you pick these? If you don't have these skeleton key things, how do you pick warded locks? And so the way I'm going to try to do it today is use this little guy. This is a bypass driver. This one's from Sparrows. They come from a lot of different companies. This one's for an ABUS, and all it is, I was looking for something really tough with about as close to a 90-degree turn I could get so I can manipulate the actuator. So, yeah, I got this thing picked exactly one time, and what a fight. So I decided to try to do it again. I think I know what's going on inside of here, but I'm going to leave it up to you guys to figure out for sure and to put your ideas down in the comments. All right, you saw that this is spring-loaded, so I'm just going to put my finger there mostly to hold it, but I hope that if I pick it, it'll spring out by itself. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, so it does pop out by itself. So hopefully shouldn't have to tension it, but I'm just going to hold it like that just for convenience. I'm going to take this guy and just insert him in there. And as I said, if I try to, this spinner, if it rotates a little bit, makes it really hard to get this thing in there. So what I'm going to do is just slide him in and try to find something that's spring-loaded. And there it is. And that's what I thought was the tip of the actuator. So I did what we all do. I did this little deal, stayed on it, rotated around, and the idea being that I'm going to probably trigger it. And as you can see, I've gone almost all the way around, and it has not triggered. So then I started monkeying around with different depths on this guy. So that was all the way in. So pulled him a little bit out, and again, I got a tensioner right there. There's the warding right there, and then a little bit past the warding is another spring-loaded actuator on would be this side. I'm going to call that the right side. And if I flip this over and put him in the same depth, there's the warding. Come on. And on that side, it is not spring-loaded. So I'm going to pull it out a little more. And again, this side, not spring-loaded. Other side, it is. So I thought, well, let me start monkeying around with those. And occasionally you hear a click. And what I'm doing, I'm just alternating back and forth. Let me hold them like this so you can kind of figure out what's going on. Try to hold it steady. Ooh, try to hold it steady so you can see the depth. There's one. I think I got him. Tiny little grinding noise. I think I got him. I think I got him. Get out of there. Okay, that was the second gate. I think I got him. Just kind of working from the edge here. Trying to get a little bit better angle. Okay, let me flip them over and try the other side, doing the same thing. Get a little bit more higher angle of attack. I'm stuck. There we go. By the way, that silver line marks the flag. Okay, that's definitely a piece of warding. I felt a slight move on the shackle there on that third chamber. Get in there. Nothing. All right, I'm going to try to angle it this way without all that constant flipping around. And again, go for a slightly higher angle of attack, hoping to stick that probe a little further up between those pieces of warding. Get another little click. Try the other side. And there we go, finally. Whew. Come out of there. All right, guys. I am almost positive I know what's going on, but I'm going to leave it up to you. If you think you know what's going on with this old Cyclops, put your idea down there, and I'll wait a few days, and then I'll put what I believe is going on inside of this lock in the description, so you'll know if you're right or if you're even close. Appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. This being Saturday, we got a giveaway, and what a giveaway we have. I got a box of stuff from learnlockpicking.com for the holidays. Holiday goodies for the tribe from learnlockpicking.com, and it is a great giveaway. They donated a whole lot of stuff. Let me back this up a little bit so you can see. First of all, we got the Lab 17-piece kit, brand new in the sealed bag. That'll be part of the giveaway. We got a training lock, and this one is the Ultimate Adversary, a 7-pin. You guys who have not seen these, let me use my fingernail and cut this guy open. It was donated. I got to show it off. These are absolutely awesome training locks. They come not pinned up. 7 complete chambers. All the screws, plugs are right here with the proper pins for that key if you want to key it up for a particular key. There it is right there. And we got a whole bunch of stuff here to include security pins, T-pins, serrated pins, spools. Anything you need is right there to pin this thing up to the ultimate challenge. We have a brand new right-hand spinner in the back. Kind of hard to see through there, but you guys have seen these before. And last but not least, if you're going to take it apart, not last. If you're going to take it apart, you need somewhere to put the pins. A really cool lab wood pinning tray. And if you're going to take the lock apart, you're going to need a follower and a great HPC. There are actually 3 of them inside of this tube. I've got one. It's laying around here somewhere, but these are absolutely great. The cap comes off and all the followers pop right out. This will be the giveaway, and I'll tell you what, I'll even throw in the Cyclops lock. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay safe, stay legal. I almost said, guys, Christmas is right around the corner, and there are Christmas sales going on from a lot of the manufacturers, to include learnlockpicking.com. If you go to the webpage and look on under resources, the sales and deals, You'll find that on all the challenge locks, they're offering 20% off, and I put all the discount codes there. A lot of the other manufacturers are also having pretty significant discounts. Southord right now is 25% off, up through, I think it's the 23rd of December. Again, I put the discount code there. If you're looking to shop for Southord stuff or training lock, now's a great time of the year to try to do it and save a little bit of money. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.